Yuyao 4-Star Lamps Company Limited is a professional manufacturer specializing in outdoor lighting products. Our lighting fixtures are manufactured through die casting, stamping, and extrusion processes with materials such as aluminum, brass, and stainless steel. Equipped with independent import and export rights, our company is capable to complete the entire manufacturing process independently. We possess multiple die casting machines of various tonnages, including 500T, 300T, and 180T, automatic powder coating and curing lines, and product assembly lines. With strong production capacity, we can produce 3 million sets of products annually, covering aluminum alloy die castings, brass alloy die castings, injection molded parts, as well as waterproof lamps, garden lamps, lawn lamps, and their accessories processed by hydraulic stretching, spinning forming, and cold punching. Leveraging years of industry experience, we had organized a professional team. We strictly control product quality using ROHS testing equipment and a rigorous QA team. Our products have obtained CE, ETL, and CCC certifications, featuring both aesthetic appeal and long service life. We pay more attention on intellectual property protection and focus on the OEM/ODM cooperation. We have maintained long-term partnerships with enterprises in the United States, Germany, Japan, and other countries and accept customized orders based on provided drawings and samples. Adhering to the philosophy of joint investment and joint development, we have earned recognition from global customers through our honest services. Looking forward, 4-Star Lamps will continue to pursue excellence and create new value in the outdoor lighting industry together with our partners.